Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and after scrolling down selecting Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, tap on Most Recent and click on the best option for your notifications, like Most Frequent. Now select an app from which you want to block them, click on it, and tap on this blue switcher next to Allow Notifications. So when I do that, as you can see, all notifications from my app are now blocked. If you wish to switch them back on, click on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!